In this video, we'll be talking about creating Subscript in Microsoft Excel. Say we want to write the chemical formula for carbon dioxide, which is CO2. For this, the first thing we need to do is write CO2 in a cell, and then we'll have to highlight this too. And if you're on Windows, then you'll have to press Ctrl+1. And if you're on Mac, then you'll have to press Command+1. So let's do that. And then when you press Command+1 or Control+1, this window will pop up. And over here, you'll have to select Subscript and then hit OK. Here we go. We have a neat formula for carbon dioxide. I hope you found this video helpful. In case you liked our video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. You can also click on the bell icon so that you receive a notification every time we upload a video. Thank you.